dreams in order to have different outcomes, to become a different person, have a different life. And that's what this is all about.
Alright guys, so I've actually been in Cape Town the past month or so while doing online business, and I actually want to share with you guys how it's been traveling as an entrepreneur in the space, meeting up with my clients, seeing how they're doing, my guys I'm mentoring, and obviously staying at places like this, which is pretty fucking insane. So it's been an absolutely insane week, did a ton of stuff, met a bunch of like 8 and 9 figure guys as well, and I'm going to show you guys a bunch of insights of how it is day to day and how I'm actually operating on businesses, how I'm doing all this stuff, right? Because a lot of the time, you know, you see other guys who are just locking themselves in the room all day and they're not experiencing life like this. Like, if you're just gonna die with all this money, there's absolutely no point of living life if you're not gonna actually have an experience like this. Like, this place is going for $12K US per night. Dan Bilzerian stayed here. This is like the Tony Stark house, so it's a pretty crazy place. But let's fucking get into the video. I'm very excited for this, so let's do it. So currently just enjoying the sunset. Lighting's pretty fucking nice on the villa. But yeah, we're just having a good time. I was just pulled up a few hours ago, staying at my buddy's place right now, and here's the sunset. So yeah, but yeah, it's a pretty cool place though. I'm pretty sure Iman's actually stayed there a few times. Well, he actually has, and also Dan Bilzerian as well. So it's pretty cool spot. And
You can take this one.
yeah. Oh, what do you think about my room, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually not bad at all.
This one's crazy. What the fuck?
It's actually me and Jade. Jeez. It's actually crazy. Oh yeah, we got the still water going. This is the villa, pretty crazy stuff. So we're having some friends over for dinner actually. We got a private chef for the whole month, and this thing costed like 40 grand to rent for the month. USD, so it's pretty crazy stuff. But yeah, we're just checked in today, just landed this morning, so we got pretty crazy stuff going on. Hi boys, so we got Sam and also Will, and then Hugo and Sam, and also Ibrahim. Currently hosting a quick house party right now, and yeah, so I got 4 clients here, and it's a pretty good time. So we're just having a little marshmallow roasting session, and yeah. Amazing. And look at this. You got a big
Let me hold it for you. Let me hold it for you.
Don a life jacket, unstrap the Velcro, put it over your head. You want to tie in a normal shoelace knot. If you guys don't know how to tie a shoelace knot.
That's a big shot.
Let's do this. And can I open my cup with your eye?
How are you gonna like milk an almond?
How do you milk an almond? Everything like blend it up and put it in and invest it in the card.
Oh shit. What is that?
Better breakfast than
Grapes and mushrooms?
6 hard-boiled eggs.
Alright, who has the best plate here?
Wait, can you please get a video of her fucking... That's crazy.
Mushrooms, and I had a grape. You're eating a whole pineapple.
That is a serial killer's breakfast right there.
There's no reason I should be getting roasted right now. That's crazy.
I like you less after seeing that.
It's fundamentally.
I have stomach problems.
You're
All girls have stomach problems. IBS. It's a thing.
Took the whole basket.
Do you think we would
What's your plate combination looking like?
Are you gonna do another party or?
Let us avoid littering and making loud noise when you are pushing the hammers so that we can get closer to the hammers.
Okay.
But for now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the safari. Hakuna Matata.
all just getting out of our massages?
Yeah, you guys all got jerked off by each other.
We all just woke up and got jerked off.
Yeah, we actually. We were each other's happy endings.
Oddly white because Eric is oddly white. Look at him. Looks like Mr. Miami right now.
Of horse poop.
Me too, actually.
Is it smell? I can't even sense.
Yeah, it
I can't smell
smells like.
anything.
Are you okay?
No.
You should go to the doctor.
That's not good. That's not good.
Casual. That's how I treat my guys. Whole group.
He's too
Do you know how white this makes you?
You know how white I am?
No, no, no.
Just one pump.
Watch, rub it in. Watch this. No.
One pump, easy enough.
Oh, Edward Cullen. Didn't think you could get whiter. He's never been on one. Can I show him how it's done?
Okay.
If guys have experience, yes, you can gallop. But if you don't have experience, you won't.
I got
I
it.
pretty much have experience, yeah.
I don't.
Have, the big meaty one.
I've done it like.
I'm sure they've heard that so many times. They're like, fuck around, find out. Fuck around, find out.
Anyone doing shit? How's it feel, bro?
Oh, yeah, bro, it feels good.
You naturally try and find ways to cut corners and save time, but content is one of those things that's very, very hard to do unless you're. I believe that there are very naturally great content creators, people like Hormozy, who can they can record, they can reel, and they can just go. I'm not one of those people. I'm actually one of the people.
I had the exact same issue. It wasn't really, I was scared of what people thought. It was more, it was, but it was to a different degree. It was more about the videos aren't good enough, or I'll get judged if they don't get enough views and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Doing a quick workout with the boy Mars. And yeah, I say we do some chest.
Anything but chest. I changed chest. This dude back and by.
I think we should do chest 2 days in a row.
No, I'm not trying to do that. Let's do shoulders and back and by.
Okay, we might as well do that. I'm actually down for back and by.
We're starting off with.
The cameraman is the most jacked back.
Yeah, this guy's.
So we need some advice from the cameraman.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from? From the beach or what, bro?
Beach. Yeah, that was at the beach, kinda.
But they're gonna stop breaking my heart.
Let's go barefoot.
He's about to play soccer in those.
Now every other day I'm watching you.
Yeah, I want to get one in Dubai.
Fuck, you know. For the vlog, what's a weird thing billionaires do?
Bro, hella study. Like they know.
I was studying.
Like they study, bro. Like no troll, bro. Those guys.
They just learn.
Bro, they've read like a lot, bro. They always read the news. Like you just have to be like really tapped into what's happening. The only way you spot opportunity isn't like you can listen to podcasts of some fucking 18-year-old like me, bro. You can go listen to like podcasts of fucking what? That's the one thing. The thing is low as shit. The whole bottom is scratched as fuck. To every speed bump, you get
Shit
wrecked.
about me. Deep down, they know one thing, right? When I walk in the room, they can't look in my eyes. When I walk in the room, they can't look in my eyes. You know who fuck you is. Talk shit about me.
I was just in Cape Town yesterday, and I decided to book a flight like the morning of and flew it a few hours later. I out here. So now we're here. I actually flew into Geneva, and then we're out here. So yeah, it's pretty. Currently driving to the cabin. So this is Ryan Anderson over here.
What's good, you two?
Let's go.
Just
so
made
yeah,
it down this air.
yeah. So we're just heading up to Ryan's buddy's cabin, and yeah, we're gonna check it out. We're actually gonna probably skiing tomorrow, but yeah, if you look at the view, it's fucking crazy. So yo boys, what's going on? So I'm actually we actually just arrived at the place. Pretty crazy view from the room. So this is the I'm gonna try to somehow make a YouTube video here, or like, you know, a VSL, or maybe film some ads. I don't know, it'd be pretty fun. Anyways, about to get some sushi later on with the boys. I'm actually about to lock in the next 3 hours, get a bunch of work done. And yeah, I'm actually gonna go skiing tomorrow. I was actually just skiing like a few weeks ago in Whistler with Nick and also the fam. What's up, boys? So we're currently skiing now in Canada, out in Whistler. So it's pretty good stuff. So this view is absolutely insane. It feels like we're in heaven right now, to be honest. But yeah, as you guys can see. But I was kind of missing in Cape Town. I literally decided to, okay, fuck it, let's just go to Switzerland, or let's go to France. So I flew to Geneva, Switzerland, and then rented a car with Ryan. So now we're here. So it's a pretty crazy life. I was just like literally just dreaming of this, you know, a few years ago, and now it's a reality. So it's pretty crazy what could actually happen if you just put your mind towards it. And I will be doing this for, I don't know, for the rest of my life, whatever it is, because I just can't get bored of this. You know, it's just so much fun. And for anyone who's watching this right now, like, and you want to be here, it's literally possible. Because I was literally just started my agency like a few years ago. So I'm actually gonna go back to Dubai probably in a few months, but I'll probably go back to Cape Town in a few days. All right, guys, so we're actually just hit up the we're on the ski chair right now, and it's super nice, like just being in France. I've actually never like skied in France, to be honest. I've only skied in Canada, as you guys can see, where I'm actually originally from. But yeah, I was heading up the ski lift right now. Ryan and the other guy, they're on the, Ryan's like haven't skied in a while, so we're I'm actually just heading up myself. Just gonna take a quick lap. So yeah, it's fucking sick. I did a bunch of work done last night, and then yeah, we woke up and just pretty much just got straight to ski lift. So it's been a very solid run. What's up, boys? So we just finished up lunch. It was very solid. Had some chicken, and then yeah, we're actually about to hit the slopes again. So gonna get some more calls in later on today. So it's all about balance. You know, you still gotta ski, but then you gotta do a lot of work, you know, at night whenever you get back, because this number one priority obviously is not just, you know, actually having fun, but also grinding so you can also have fun later on. So yeah, the boys are calling me, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. So I'll see you guys then. Walker.
They studied, bro. Like no troll, bro. Those guys.
If you know, you know. But yeah, just it's a pretty cool place. This is like the upstairs. And yeah, there's like the pool and stuff like that downstairs. But this is just like the upstairs part. I think this place is going for like $7K a night, but it's just one of my friends' places. Yeah, invite me over again. So yeah.
Just wanna walk in a room, they can't look in my eyes.
Ahmed, how was the month?
Bro, it was fucking insane. I don't know why I didn't document any of it. Thank God fucking Eric documented all of it. But it's been an incredible month with some incredible people. Things happened literally every single day. There was non-stop activities happening. It's memories that we will never, ever, ever forget at this beautiful crib. Beautiful people, beautiful vibes. And I appreciate you being here, bro.
Of course, bro.
Fucking great
vibes. Damn, what was the biggest thing you learned this month, do you think? Be around all these. There was a few guys doing like, Zach was doing like
30
mil per year in rev in ecom.
Yeah, he did over 6 mil in profit. I just recorded a pod with him upstairs. We met guys that exited their companies, you know, for 100 mil, kept 50 mil of that. Got to meet some really cool people, like YouTubers I used to watch growing up, and now.
Oh yeah, like Lost LeBlanc.
Yeah.
I was actually watching him for a while. It's like when I was trying to go to Bali and stuff like that. I was watching him.
Same, literally. Same videos, that's why I went to Bali.
Yeah.
And so now we can call him, you know, our friend. And honestly, what's great about being in a place like Cape Town is that you get to meet people from all across the world and all different facets of life. But then they also leave, and then you now have friends in every continent.
Yeah, bro.
You
Yeah.
go to.
Yeah.
So,
that's the thing.
Yeah, it's awesome. And I think
Yeah.
Instagram and having social media is so useful because once you connect on a personal level in person, and then you have them on Instagram, boom, now every time you go somewhere, they're like, oh, I'm there, or oh, my friend is around. And so the network and the connections that we built here is only going to continue to get nurtured over the coming months and years. So it's awesome. Come here.
Dean White, the man himself. Let's go.
Yo, crazy month, bro.
Crazy month, yeah.
That's all I'll say, crazy month.
All right. That was a very good time. But yeah, about check into the place and maybe go to Norway in a few days or so. What's up, boys? So just finished up a bunch of calls, and actually Johnny and Ollie, who were actually at the Dubai Cloud Retreat, who hit 0 to 10K in about 2 months. Just got off call with them, and they just did a 9K week and then 6K week before that as well. So
last 7 days we done 9K. This
Damn.
done
That's crazy.
last week we done like 6K. But
they're literally on their way to do 30K month, and it's really, really cool to see that they were just at 10K month, now they're at 30K. And yeah, actually about to go on a little sunset hike. Just checked into a new Airbnb, and then yeah, really good day today. And we're just about to head off, or I'm just about to go on a quick sunset hike and enjoy the view. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, currently on the hike right now, and insane view. Like, this is actually crazy. It's so nice. Like, literally just is like 5-minute walk away from my house, and the view is just absolutely cooking right now. So little guy going there, but yeah, it's just so sick, like living this life. And I don't know, this is always why I just recommend like traveling to all my clients and also everyone on YouTube as well, because it's just like you get to do shit like this at the end of the day. You know, you work like 12 hours and then you just get to go like hiking or sunset. Like, this is crazy. It's so much fun. Like, it's insane. So yeah, let's go a little hike. I kind of want to do a little mountain bike session with the boys. That'd be fun, and with some clients as well maybe. So that'd be good. And I'm gonna continue the hike. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, guys, what's going on? So it is, I just landed in Dubai like about an hour ago, and I'm just pulling up to Nabil's hotel for the night, and then we're gonna go move back into the OG place. Yo, boys, checking back in place. Rixos, it's Bugatti in our lobby right now. So yeah, we're back with Nabil. Oscar's moving in later today, and yeah, it's gonna be a very good dial-in season. So really looking forward to it. So. And then we got Monaco again. Remember last year? Yeah, so that's gonna be a good time. But yeah, we're gonna be super dialed these next 2 months, and yeah. Guys, so we're back in the apartment. I actually want to mention one more thing before I actually hop off here. So this one new business model, which is pretty much SMMA, is exactly like discovering SMMA back in 2016, where you could pretty much just pitch any business owner. They'd be down to pay you a few grand per month, and you could pretty much run any ad you want online, and you just get leads for it. It's pretty much the exact same thing as discovering back then, right? So this whole new AI agent stuff is actually taken over, to be honest. The whole traditional SMA model is slightly, I don't want to say dead and oversaturated, but it is kind of coming to that point now. Now, if you actually take advantage of this, you are going to be absolutely crushing your competition. You're going to have higher booking rates, higher show up rates, higher close rates. So you could charge way more. You can also save way more time on service delivery because you pretty much automate everything with AI, right? So that's that. Just want to mention it. And I'm actually hosting a free online masterclass on May 18th on exactly how to launch and pretty much scale your own AI agency. And it's literally better than the whole old SMMA model, right? You're still gonna be using the same principles, you're still gonna be selling Facebook ads, but you're actually gonna hit a massive spin on it using lots of things with AI, right? So I'm gonna show all the fucking sauce. I've learned so many things. I'm literally gonna show you exactly how you could start making an extra 10, 20, 30K per month from your agency with these new methods, right? So just all you have to do is just sign up down below. It's a quick 45-second questionnaire. Just fill it out, and then I'll see you guys on May 18th. Very fucking excited. You guys to talk to me, ask me any questions, talk to me live, whatever you guys want to do. And I'll see you guys there. I love you guys so much. And yeah, take care.